Hello guys, so now I will show you what is the road condition. You wanted to see, many of you are asking how is the road condition in K. Narayanpura road. So I want to show you now. So I'm going through this road, so you can see this is my second vlog video. Please guys, support me. Like in the first video, many of you commented, many of you liked the video, many of you suggested me to do some good things. So I try my best to give the best. So please do support me. As well as along with this roads, we will get to observe some observations. So we are concentrating on that too. On the road, you can see they have made the swimming pool here. So but in this quarantine, without the ride, my day is incomplete. So I'll be staying alone all day. I want to go out for some ride, at least for 5 kilometers I'll ride a day, so which gives me energy as well as some kind of refreshment which I can feel myself. So everywhere people are quite good. There is no changes like earlier. During the quarantine, people used to sit inside, but nowadays they are not sitting inside. So nobody can sit so long. Even we are like, as we have not experienced since working long, like morning to evening. But also we can't sit at home. Then like think about the situation of the working class people. They cannot sit inside, so it's obvious that they feel weird. So they also want to earn something because they too have a responsibility to carry on their family. But don't worry, these dogs have got their own enjoying life. They never care for anyone. These rickshaw guys, no, they do some kind of stunt. Okay, see this guy, like he is not a legend. They are not born, they are built. But it's a talent, guys. Like if he cross little bit also, like it will be a danger for him, but no issues. They work because they want to run their livelihood. Of course they won't leave any chance to earn money. Yeah, many of my friends said that your video should be within 10 minutes. If it is long, bro, we cannot watch it. Please improve next time. So I tell yes, guys, I tell yes, my friends. Like I'll try to keep my video within 10. So it's a quarantine ride with me. You're also riding. You can see how Bangalore situation is. Many of you have not come out from many times. Many of you are still scared, like you are inside because you're taking precautions. But I am not like that, guys. I can take precautions, yeah, I need to, but I cannot sit inside so long. So that is my negative point. I cannot sit inside. So we'll go in the flyover. I wanted to go down to the Kamanalli, but no issues. And also many of the people will be moving here, so it's a nice thing to go. So many of the people are enjoying flyover view. That's a good sign, because yeah, like when you meet with the friends, no, that's a different thing. Like with the friends you can do all chit chats, all the fun, all the mentalness, everything you can show. But when you're alone, like yeah, you cannot do anything, as well as you will not be having any interest, of course. But with the friends, of course you will get very interest, very, like you can learn some new things with friends. We need to be careful in this road. So Bangalore is not as you expect. Many of the people say that Bangalore is like that, Bangalore is like this, hectic. Yeah, of course there is corona cases which are increasing day by day. I think it almost reached more than 90k. But don't complain Bangalore. Like many people my friends who were working in Bangalore, as well as who studied in Bangalore, like they studied everything in Bangalore, but the moment they left the Bangalore, they were scolding next day. I don't know what Bangalore has done to them. So I don't know, Bangalore has given many of the people the livelihood. Many, like Bangalore has given life to many people. Of course, I have seen as well as I have heard many of the students who complete the degree. They think of coming to Bangalore. They say like, after degree, what I will do? Like when we ask, they'll say, of course, I'm going to Bangalore. I'll search and I'll do some job. So that is a good sign of Bangalore. Please don't spoil the name of the Bangalore. Like yeah, it's a request, guys. Holy shit, man! Holy shit! Waste my simply time here. Oh my god, no brother, no brother. I knew that. Don't change their life. So of course we cannot do anything about that. Holy mother. Communally, food is nice, man. Food is nice. Where are you coming, brothers? One was I was in a flyover, like I was almost 90-95 kilometer speed. Actually, I don't know what happened. Like camera just fell down. I heard the sound, so I stopped, but it was too late because I was not able to brake so early because behind there were vehicles. So I stopped my best and I searched for half an hour. I did not get the camera. Then two of the guys came and they asked like what happened. So I said like my GoPro fell down. So they said oh shit. Then they went. Then again it was a highway right. So again I went to the right side. I searched there. I was searching and that time two of the people or different two people came there, two guys, and they asked about me. They came to search together with me. Then they searched me they searched with me like for half an hour. Then finally I got the camera. So they asked about like YouTube and all. Though I like just informed them. I just started and uploaded one video. I wanted to do something. Then they gave their mobile and they said to subscribe to the channel. Just I subscribed. Then I pressed the like button as well as I was very happy because they said that don't lose hope, just keep going. So that was a motivation I think I can take from them. So I need your support, guys. Like it is already completely broken. So if you don't believe, you can see this picture. So it is already broken. So but also I was able to make some desi jugaad and I was able to fix it. So no issues. So I ordered some parts. It will be all right within few days. So thanks, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.